Hello students, this is my demo video on gravitation. So I'll be starting with the universal law of gravitation. Two objects attract each other with the with the which is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them and directly proportional to the masses between them, multiplication of masses between them. So combining these two equations, we'll get this equation, that is force is directly proportional to the product of masses of them and this square of the distance between them. We'll put the constant here after removing the directly proportional constant. This is the proportional constant, gravitation proportion constant. Now g is the gravitational proportion constant. Proportional constant. So you can see that the unit of g will be Newton into meter square upon kilogram square. Understood, all of you? Now, when take a object, you fall from a height, what will happen? It will come to the ground. The force that will act on the object will be mass into gravitation constant. ठीक है? Now mg will be the force acting upon the object which is falling from a distance. So this you have already find out. So value of gravitation constant will be, this is gravitational constant. It is not depending on the value of m. Small m, it is not depending on. So whether you are falling a stone, it will reach at the same time. Whether you are falling a paper, it will reach at same time, provided the air resistance is not there. Understood, all of you? Now the value of g, how you will calculate? You will paste the value of constant, that is 6.7 to 10 raised to the power minus 11 mass of the earth and radius of the earth. You will put all the values, you will get 9.8 meter per second square. Now we will find that the relation of any mass is same everywhere, but weight is different. It depends on g. If you are on moon, the value of g will be different. If you are on earth, value of g will be different. Now we'll find out the relation between mass on moon with the weight on moon with the weight on earth. You will put the value of weight will be equal to f. You will put all the values, weight on earth, you will put all the values, you will divide it, g and g will get cancelled, m and m will get cancelled, you will get this, you will put the value, here the values is given, you will get 1 by 6. Now thrust and pressure. Now what is thrust and what is pressure? You sit on a sand, you stand on a sand, your feet will come down in a sand. So that is a thrust, and you will sit on a sand, the sand will not go down. Why? The thrust is equal. You are standing and when you are sitting, the thrust is equal. But when you are standing, the pressure is applying only on the area of your feet. But when you are sitting, the pressure is applied on the contact area of your body. So, why you have seen a pin, thumb pin? It is small at the pin side. Why? So that you can apply the pressure, and the area is less than the pressure is more. Understood? When you are standing, the area is less, so the pressure is more, the sand goes down. When you are sitting, the area is more, the pressure is less. This is the concept. The thrust is same. Now pressure is equal to thrust upon area. Now what is Archimedes principle? Archimedes principle, you take a spring and attach a stone to it. It will come down, spring will come down. You take that spring under the water. It will decrease. The expansion of the spring will decrease. Why? There is some force applied by the water also on the stone that cancels out the spring expansion. Now how you can calculate it? You can calculate it by Archimedes principle. When a body is immersed fully or partially inside the fluid, it experiences upward force that is equal to the fluid displaced by it. It will experience a force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. Understood? Now what is density? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is in kilogram and volume is in meter per cube. Now relative density is this density of a substance upon density of a water. Hope I have cleared myself.